Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. So today we have a little something different. I need to buy myself a little palm router because I have some trim stuff that I need to router out. Um, I couldn't find a tall enough base with the correct round over, so I'm just going to go with a 1x4 and just round it over. I still have them ordered. These are just 2x4s. I thought I'd just see how the router works. So what I actually got is this Craftsman palm router. Um, do a little unboxing here on it. So it's a palm router, so it's not. It doesn't have quite the power, as be like a normal size router. It would just be used for like trim stuff or just something light duty. Um, the bigger 1.25 horsepower routers would be something you'd put on your router table. This is actually the one of the first routers I've owned. Um, I just want to check it out here. I also got this set of router bits. These are roundover bits. It goes from 1/4 to 1/2. I think the I think the 1/2 inch. This thing's gonna struggle a little bit to do that. Um, so the first thing we have when we open this box is our directions, um, which we don't really need to use because it's a router. The second thing we got here is our edge guide. Now, supposedly, these work on the DeWalt. It's the same company that makes Craftsman, so it would work on this. It would work. It's the same, pretty much. It's the same size. This just goes onto your router, just like so, and then this would just be your edge guide. So that's how that works. The second thing we got here, our dust extractor piece. Um, don't really need that right now. I'll probably use it later when I am routering all my trim pieces. I want to do it, just have like a stack there, and then just router them out. And we got our router. We also got a little wrench in here to put our bits on. So that's what we have. Our router is pretty nice here. It's actually the brushless router. They don't make any another shot in their just normal their V20 line. So this is just the V20 brushless, which is good because that's pretty much all the tools I get is their RP, which would be their, I guess it'd be like an upgraded performance version. Um, we're gonna check out this router bit set, which I have no idea how to open. I'm thinking it's ridiculous. I don't know how to open this thing. I don't know. I think it just slides out. I think this thing here gets cut on the front, and then this back actually just pulls out of there. Yeah. So yeah, these just tilt out like that. Okay, that's pretty cool. So you got a little storage case for them. The first thing you would have on your router here is you got your base. It's a little bit of a smaller base than the DeWalt one. The other thing that's cool is it shows you a direction, so you don't ever get confused when you wonder which way to run this. You always run it opposite of the way direction that the thing spins. So this thing says it's spinning this way. So we want to put it and run it from the left and run it to the right, from left to right. Um, it's got this cool depth adjustment thing here. You just pull that and then just push this, and you got depth adjustment. This comes off then to put the bit in. I'm in a bit of a time crunch here, so we're just going to put a bit in here and run it. See how it runs. I'm going to go with the smallest bit set they got here, which is 1/4 round over. That just goes on there like so. Make it a little looser. There we go. Just like that. Then for our depth adjustment, we just want to stick it onto our router piece here. That's way too far. So we just want to have this flush with our base of our router. Right like that. So that's how we want to have it, just like that, because we want to have it round over. Now the second thing we want to do here is I want to see how it runs. So I'm going to get my battery. We're going to check it out. I'm thinking it'll run pretty nice. I had seen reviews on it before. It says it goes from, it says 16,000 RPM to 30,000 RPM, no load. So we'll see if it actually holds up to that. I'm gonna need to get a battery. I have a fully charged 6 amp hour Craftsman battery, so I got my biggest battery on it. So it should be good. It also got some different speeds here. It goes from 1 to 7. And then it has your power on off. So we'll see how it works. It's pretty quiet, actually. Now, of course, we're not cutting anything. So we're going to try it. Run it left to right here. It runs nice. I didn't even notice anything when I was running it. I have the 1/4 inch bit on there, so it's really not putting much of a load on it. Yeah, no, that cuts really nice. I don't think I have my depth quite right. It's more like it. Because we got our tail there. Try it again. That's more like it. I'm impressed. It doesn't. There was no load on it. I mean, I was keeping decent pressure on there. It didn't stall. Yeah, I think it'll work pretty good. I think with the dust extractor on there yet, it's going to work really good. This thing throws off a lot of fine dust, so that's going to be the first thing I want to do on that. Hook it up to the Fez tool. Yeah, I like it. I'm impressed with it. I think it'll come in handy when I use when I need to do my trim, because the trim is 1x stuff, so it'll zip right through that.